y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to make for you a 7-layer salad. This is my son Tanner's absolute favorite salad. So I try to make it for him, especially on the holidays, because he really enjoys it. And recently he and my beautiful daughter-in-law Fallon had a son, and that's our 3rd grandchild. So we are over the moon in love with him. And it's one of those things that I'm going to take and for him tonight once we go see the baby again. So I'm going to tell you what goes in this, and then we're going to show you how we put it all together. You're definitely going to want to use iceberg lettuce in this. Now today I've kind of taken the easy way out and I bought some bagged shredded iceberg lettuce. You can just buy a head of lettuce and clean it and chop it up into bite-sized pieces. It's going to have celery, and you're going to have green onion. You're going to have baby peas. You're going to have some shredded cheese and 1.5 cups of mayo and 3 tablespoons of sugar. So what we're going to do is show you how we start preparing this salad. All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and start layering our salad. You do want to use a clear bowl because this is a visually pleasing dish to serve. So if you want to take this to a church function or a work cookout thing that somebody has put together, or if you want to impress your in-laws and take this to a holiday meal, this is one of those things that you can actually make the night before and it's ready for the next day. It's actually better if you make this salad the day before you're going to actually eat it. I'm not sure why, but it's just this way it's always been. So next we're going to go ahead and show you how we put it all in the bowl. I've got a straight trifle bowl here. Now the key is, if you have a clear bowl, you want to try to make sure that the sides are up and down. You don't want really a fluted bowl because it's going to look better with the layers in this bowl like this. So I've got about 1.5 bags of the iceberg shredded lettuce. Like I said, a little cheated on this one today just to save some time. And you're going to put that in your bowl first. And then you're going to put in the celery. Now I had a large head of celery, and this was only about 3 or 4 stalks, and you want to cut it down pretty small pieces. Put that on. Alright, and then we're going to put in our green onion. Get it all in here. Okay. And then we're going to put that on top. The celery. That just gives it some really good flavor. All right, and now we're going to put on our baby peas. Now you can use a small can. This is not a small can, so I may not use all of these in this today, but we'll see how it turns out when we start putting them in. You want to make sure you drain these peas before you put them in the salad, because you do not want pea juice in your salad. It won't be good. All right, we're going to lay them on top. Like I said, this is a great, easy recipe to make the night before. If you have to go somewhere for lunch the next day, you're not having to get up early. You don't have to worry about keeping something hot. It's a good salad. Most people like it. I'm going to use most of this. All right, so almost a can of baby peas. There again, if you don't really like these, you don't have to use quite as many, but it is one of the layers in the salad. Okay, next we're going to put on the mayonnaise. And you're just going to lay it on top, and you're just going to spread it out as evenly as you can over the top of this salad. And I'll tell you a funny story. One year I was a lot younger, and I was going to a church function, and I thought, I'm going to make this salad because I think people really like it. And so I made it, and I was real proud of myself. And we go to the church and we have it for lunch, and I thought, something just doesn't taste right. Well, I forgot to put the sugar on top of the mayonnaise. Now the salad was still okay, it was still edible, but it sure was missing something. So you don't want to forget your sugar, because I learned my lesson on that one. That was kind of embarrassing, but I kind of played it off and acted like this is how it was supposed to be, but I knew it was missing something as soon as I tasted it. So it's an important ingredient that you don't want to miss putting on because it's important. And then all you're going to do after you get this spread on top is you're going to cover it, and you're going to keep it in your refrigerator, and then you're going to serve it up the next day. I'm going to take this over to my son because he loves this salad, and well, they just had a baby and they just came home from the hospital, and his mama wants to make something for him. All right, so we're just going to spread this out over the top. And then we're going to sprinkle the sugar on top of this. And then we're going to top it with cheese. Okay. Just going to sprinkle this over. Just make sure you get it over each little bit of the top of this. There's just something about the sugar that makes the salad. All right. Like I said, this is a good, nice thing to make ahead of time. You don't have to be rushed that morning if you're going to go to Thanksgiving lunch with your in-laws or with some friends. You can make this the night before, and you can just sleep in that next morning if you're only having to take one dish. So I think most people would like it. All right, we got our sugar on, and then we're just going to top it with some sharp cheddar cheese. You can use a medium cheddar if you'd like, but cheddar really is best on this salad. And you just put it on there as much as you'd like. And then there you have your 7-layer salad. It's a delicious, it's pretty simple, especially if you use the bag lettuce. You don't have a lot of chopping if you use that. It makes it pretty fast to get together, and it actually looks really pretty. So I hope that you will try this recipe. I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope my son enjoys it, and I've certainly made it for him today. And I hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel, and I hope you'll click on the bell to get notifications for my upcoming videos. And I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.